You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is 8 equals 11 over 12. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 7 over 9 from both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the a. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 3 over negative 2. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is 8 equals 11 over 12.